Some of us or many of us know that Google has just opened its first local office in Pakistan and it's in Islamabad. But if you are a Pakistani student thinking, great, now I can just learn Python, get a Google job, Google certificate, and apply for a Google engineering job in Islamabad, stop. Because the reality is much more interesting. The office is real, the opportunity is real, but the job you are thinking of coming may not be the jobs Google is hiring for first. So let's break down exactly how someone sitting in Islamabad can realistically get onto Google's radar in 2026. On August 18, 2026, Pakistan officially announced the inauguration of Google's first local office in Islamabad. Google says its Pakistan investment is focused around three major areas: developing people and digital skills, manufacturing and hardware infrastructure, and helping local businesses grow. And here's the first important distinction. Google opening an office does not automatically mean a giant software engineering campus has arrived in Islamabad. As of today, Google's public careers locations page still doesn't list Pakistan. And there is no public engineering headcount announcement for the Islamabad operations. So what should you actually target? Number 1, sales and business. Google's Pakistan presence is commercially important, so skills in advertising, account management, analytics, sales and business development can matter. Number 2, partnerships and public policy. If you are strong in law, economics, business, technology policy, stakeholder management, or government relations, this is completely different route into Google. Number 3, software engineering. This is where most students immediately jump, but it's also where the bars becomes much higher. Current Google engineering jobs ask for real programming experience, data structures and algorithms, software development, and depending on the positions, distributed systems, cloud or AI or ML. And number 4, AI and machine learning. But don't become another person who knows how to type prompts into an AI chatbot. Modern AI roles increasingly involve production system, model development, evaluation, infrastructure, and debugging. Now the question everyone asks, which course do I need? Here's the uncomfortable answer. There is no magic Google course that gets you hired by Google. Google career certificates are designed to build job-ready skills, and Pakistan has access to programs including data analytics, cybersecurity, AI, and other career pathways. But certificates are supporting evidence. They are not substitute for ability. If you are targeting data, learn data analytics, SQL, Python, and statistics. If you are targeting cybersecurity, learn networking, Linux, and security fundamentals. If you are targeting cloud, learn GCP and build hands-on projects. Google currently offers cloud certificates and certifications across engineering, data, cybersecurity, and machine learning. If you are targeting software engineering, programming, algorithms, data structures, systems, projects, experience, that's where your time should go. Here's what I would do if I was starting from Islamabad today. I won't build 10 certificates. I would build 3 projects. one that proves technical ability, one that solves a real business problem, and one that demonstrates the specialist skill I want Google to hire me for. Put the code on GitHub, document the architecture, explain what went wrong, show the results. Because everyone can write AI enthusiast on LinkedIn. Far fewer people can show a working AI system. And Islamabad gives you something important: proximity to Pakistan's growing technology and policy ecosystem. Google is expanding its training, developer, and AI initiatives in Pakistan. The government Google agreement announced this week includes 150,000 career certificates for Pakistani youth in 2026 and plans around an AI center of excellence. Use those programs, attend legitimate developer events, build relationships, volunteer, speak, build, and don't confuse networking with hiring. A Google developer group is not a secret Google recruitment department. Here's a brutal truth. If your entire strategy is, I'll collect Google certificates and wait for Google to hire me, you are probably wasting your time. Google's current technical vacancies demonstrate why. The company is hiring people who can difficult problems and operate at scale, not simply people who completed online courses. And even Google's own career certificate program describes these credentials as preparation for entry-level careers, not automatic employment at Google. So build skills first, then evidence, then experience, then apply. Your roadmap is simple. First 3 months, fundamentals. Months 4 to 6, serious projects. Months 7 to 9, real world experience. Months 10 to 12, targeted applications and interview preparation. And don't limit yourself to one route. Islamabad, Google Pakistan is one possibility. Islamabad, strong Pakistani tech company, international experience, Google is another. Islamabad, remote Google company, specialist expertise, Google is another. And for highly technical candidates, university research and advanced AI work can create another route entirely. So here's the challenge. Don't spend the next year trying to look employable. Spend the next year becoming obviously useful. Because Google may have just opened its door in Islamabad, but the door opening doesn't lower the standard. It gives you a new target. Build the skills, build the proof, build the career, and then apply. Don't be in the queue of stupids. Don't enter in so-called institutes. Thank you so much.